This video is for class 8, unit 1 rational numbers, session 5. Now I'm going to demonstrate some problems based on the topic denseness property of rational numbers. And here we have an example to find some rational numbers between two given rational numbers 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. And the first method is formula method. We know that we have a formula Q equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by A plus B, where A and B are the two given rational numbers and Q is any rational number between them. Now consider the two given rational numbers 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. Now by the formula we have the first rational number Q1. We know that there are infinitely many rational numbers between these two given rational numbers 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. So the first one, let it be Q1, which is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by A plus B. Instead of A we can write 1 upon 3 plus, instead of B we can write the second rational number 3 upon 5. Now which is simplified as 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 plus 9 the whole divided by 15, which is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 14 upon 15, which is simplified as 7 upon 15. So the first required rational number is 7 upon 15, which comes exactly in the middle between 1 by 3 and 3 by 5. So 7 by 15 can be marked between 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. So we got one rational number. Now the second rational number Q2 can be formed by considering either 1 by 3 and 7 upon 15. So instead of A we can write 1 upon 3 and instead of B we can write 7 upon 15. Or you can consider either 7 upon 15 and 3 upon 5 as the two rational numbers. So instead of A we can write 7 upon 15 and instead of B we can write 3 upon 5. So Q2 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by A. A means 1 upon 3 plus B means 7 upon 15. The same way you can consider either 1 by 3 and 7 by 15 or 7 by 15 and 3 by 5. So here I am considering 1 upon 3 and 7 upon 15. And which is simplified as 1 upon 2 multiplied by 5 plus 7 the whole divided by 15, which is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 12 by 15, which is equal to 6 upon 15, and which is simplified as 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is a rational number between 1 by 3 and 7 by 15. So 2 by 5 can be marked here. Now for finding another, say Q3, third rational number, we can consider A as 7 upon 15 and B as 3 upon 5. So Q3 is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 upon 15 plus 3 upon 5, which is simplified as 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 plus 9 the whole divided by 15, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 16 by 15 and is simplified as 8 upon 15. So 8 upon 15 is a rational number which comes between 7 upon 15 and 3 upon 5. So we got 2 upon 5, 7 upon 15 and 8 upon 15, three rational numbers between 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. Same way we can find many rational numbers by considering A as 1 upon 3 and B as 2 upon 5, or A as 2 upon 5 and B as 7 upon 15, or A as 7 upon 15 and B as 8 upon 15, or A as 8 upon 15 and B as 3 upon 5, and so on. We can continue by using the same formula. Q is equal to 1 upon 2 multiplied by A plus B. Now method 2, which is an easy method, and this is known as shortcut method. Now if A upon B and C upon D are two rational numbers, then A plus C the whole divided by B plus D is a rational number between these two given rational numbers. And here we know that we are adding the numerators and denominators separately to find a rational number between two given rational numbers. For example, consider the same rational numbers 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. So the first rational number Q1, which lies between 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5, can be found by adding the numerators 1 and 3 and then the denominators 3 and 5 separately to get 4 upon 8, which is equal to 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 is one rational number between 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5. So now we can find Q2, which lies between 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Otherwise you can take 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. So now here I am going to consider 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 2. Now here when we add the numerators and denominators separately, we will get the answer 2 upon 5. So 2 upon 5 is the second rational number. Now the third rational number Q3, lying between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5, can be simplified as 1 plus 3 the whole divided by 2 plus 5, which is equal to 4 upon 7. So we can see that 1 upon 2, 2 upon 5 and 4 upon 7 are three rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 3 by 5. Same way we can find more rational numbers by adding the numerators and denominators by considering different numbers between the two given rational numbers. Now method 3, and this method we are using when we need to find a large number of rational numbers between two given rational numbers, and here we have to take sufficiently large common denominator depending on how many rational numbers we have to find. Now the same example we are going to take. We are going to find infinitely many rational numbers between 1 by 3 and 3 upon 5. Now first case, if we want to find 7 rational numbers, then we can consider a common denominator, and if we need to find 70 rational number, then sufficiently we have to consider a common denominator. Now here we know that the denominators are 3 and 5 and the LCM is 15. But if you take LCM as 15 and common denominator 15, we cannot find more than 7 or 70 rational numbers. So here, first case, if we need to find say 7 rational numbers, then I am going to make a common denominator as 30. So the equivalent rational number of 1 upon 3 will be equal to 10 upon 30, and for 3 upon 5 the equivalent rational number will be 18 upon 30. Here we can see that we have made the common denominator as 30. So between 10 and 18 there are 7 integers. So if you take 1 by 3 as 10 upon 30 and 3 upon 5 as 18 upon 30, we can see that Between 10 upon 30 and 18 upon 30, there are 7 rational numbers like 11 upon 30, 12 upon 30, so on up to 18 upon 30. So we can write the 7 rational numbers as 11 upon 30, 12 upon 30, 13 upon 30, 14 upon 30, 15 upon 30, 16 upon 30 and 17 upon 30. So here we have 7 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 5 by making a common denominator of 30. Now if you want to find 70 rational numbers, 70 rational numbers, then instead of making common denominator as 30, we can make say 300. For example, if you make common denominator as 300, then the equivalent rational for 1 by 3 will be equal to 100 upon 300, and for a 3 upon 5, by making the common denominator as 300, it will be equal to 180 upon 300. Now we know that there are 79 integers between 100 and 180. They are 101, 102, 103, so on up to 179. Therefore, we can write 79 rational numbers such as 101 upon 180, 102 upon 180, so on 179 upon 180. So now here we can see that we have 79 rational numbers. From this you can write 70 rational numbers as 101 upon 180, 102 upon 180, so on up to 170 upon 180.